Okay.
Yeah, on the toilet. Well, right there with well, right by my side. I'm done. We gon' roll up on them, hit them real quick. And I know they hating, they gon' feel this.
Okay.
All my niggas ballin', bitch, get rich. This young ghost, BGM, you feel this?
Wow.
Hold up, what they say? Where the fuck I'm from? It's NC the Ghost. Yeah, boy, I run. My city and yours too. What the fuck you do? I could take your chick and spit it on your crew, your bitch, your mama. Boy, you never wanna feel this shit. And if a nigga ever run up on me, he gon' feel this clip. What you say or where you at? Boy, watch this how I spray. I could never give a fuck of how you feel, so feel this shit, you fuck nigga. You ain't about it. You just run around talking about it. And all my niggas right here with me, and we riding with it. Niggas tripping, you feel it? And we gon' fuck your bitches. And if you start to tripping, I might just fuck your mama. What you say, I go anyway. Hard like a bitch. And I can never care what you niggas. But I brought it back and I rolled up and I did it quick. And I got a new Lambo and I ride it shit. 200 on a fucking highway. Woo. I got a couple bricks, bitch. I gotta get it way with you niggas. Heard you calling the police, and if a nigga start to, I'ma hit him. Cheat, hold up, fuck, damn. Where you go at?
Okay.
I'm hot, I'm tripping. Yeah, you know that.
All right.
So why you hating? Bitch, feel that. I gotta get home, cause kill that now. I'm drunk and then I'm tripping. I could do this real quiet. I could do it real.